back to Christy's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to do another Sunday shout-outs and sides, and I'm going to be making some copycat versions of Jim and Nick's cheesy biscuits. Before I get started, I just want to thank Big Reggie. He had a giveaway for a 3-piece grill set and I won it, and here it is. It's almost too nice to use. Very sturdy. Can't wait to try it out. I also wanted to mention Rivet Gardner's cookbook. I just got it a couple days ago, and looking through it, there's a lot of delicious looking recipes. And the good thing is you can check out his YouTube channel, and he has these recipes on there also. I'm going to have Big Reggie and Rivet's information in the description box along with the other channels that I mentioned. I actually recorded this yesterday, but I completely botched up several of the channel names, and so I decided to do it again. Hopefully I won't make the same mistake today. All of these are great channels. I watch each one of them. Barbecue Pit Dog, Cooking with CJ, Everyday Life with Steve, Jive Boy Foods, Kent Vanderweerd, Lass's Food and Barbecue, Mario Monty, Quest Hunter at Our Shack, Robert Roy, Roundhouse Ranch Barbecue, and the Happy Whisk. Please check out all the channels in the description box. I know they would appreciate it if you subscribed. I'm going to go ahead and bring you in closer so you can see what I did yesterday better. These are called biscuits, but they actually look like little muffins, but they're called cheesy biscuits, so that's what I'm going to call them. Now I like to make a honey butter with these, and I'm just using some sourwood honey. Just use whatever type you have. And I have a half a stick of butter here that's already been softened at room temperature. There's really no recipe. You just pour some honey over the butter, and then you mash it up. In the bowl here, I have all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And like I said before, I'll have the amounts in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and whisk them together. I have the oven preheating at 400 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and add some buttermilk and 1 beaten egg. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm just going to go ahead and whisk those together. I'm going to go ahead and add the wet into the dry. I'm going to add some melted butter. I grated some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to go ahead and fold that in. I've actually made this recipe a few times, but I just got my mini muffin pan in, so this will be the first time I'm trying it using the mini muffins. It turned out great using the full size. And I'm just using a small cookie scoop. Couldn't think of what it's called. Jeez. And I've already sprayed the pan. I'm going to bake these for 7 to 10 minutes. I ended up cooking them for a total of 10 minutes. I've overfilled them just a little bit, which is something I always do, but they smell and look delicious. I'm going to let them cool for just a couple minutes. Alright, I got my favorite taste tester here, Lloyd. He's going to give them a try.
Alright, I've been waiting on these bad boys.
They're still hot.
Put a gob of this sweet butter on there. Here goes.
Hot. Very hot.
Mm. Mm. Oh my God. That's good. You done good. That is delicious.
Oh, thank you.
Gosh, that makes me happier than a fat tick on a dog. Put a little bit more of this fat butter on there. Or excuse me, sweet butter.
Is it better than Jim and Nick's?
No, I put Jim and Nick's out of business. I'm gonna tell you right now, if I don't do you pickle, nothing will. Go ahead and get me another one while we're at it. Ain't no sense of being shy now.
No.
Boy, that's good. That's good, baby. You're doing good.
Oh, thank you. Don't forget to check out all the channels that I mentioned. I'll put their links into the description box. And there you have it. Thanks a lot. These are all great channels. I watch every one of them. Barbecue Pit Dog, Cooking with CJ, Everyday Life with Steve, Jive Boys Food, Kent Van de Weird, I know I'm butchering that, Lassie's Food and Barbecue, Quest Hunter at Our Shack, Robert Roy. These are all great channels. I watch every one of them. Barbecue Pit Dog, Cooking with CJ, Everyday Life with Steve, Jive Boy Foods, Kent Van de Weird. I know I'm butchering that, sorry. Lassie's Food and Barbecue, Quest Hunter at Our Shack, Robert Roy, Roadhouse Ranch Barbecue. I'm burning up. Why can't I read? Okay.